Okay, so your notes are going to be pretty short, or just one page. So we're going to talk about, we talked about place value to the billions. Now we're going to talk about to the thousands. So again, place value just helps you organize the value of each digit in a number. So now that we're looking at the thousandths, that TH is important, we have to worry about our decimal point, right? We have to think about that decimal point. So place value, again, represents the value of a digit based on its location in a number, so where it is. So we're going to look here. We have place value through the thousandth place. So they didn't put everything in front up to the billions like we talked about before, but we have our hundreds, our tens, our ones, which we're very familiar with. And then after our decimal point right here, we have that decimal point. I'm going to change colors. That's kind of hard to see because there's already yellow there. After our decimal point right here, then you have tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. That TH. Okay, TH tells you it's behind the decimal point. So if I just write this number in standard form, so just the normal way that numbers are written, I have 23.454 thousandths. Okay, when I say that, that's exactly how I say it. I say 23. The decimal point is read as the word and, so 23 and 454 thousandths. That TH, again, is very important. So we're going to practice writing a few going from word form to standard form. So here we have 876 and 42 hundredths. So I have 876, that's normal, and it tells me that's where my decimal point goes, and then 42 hundredths. Okay. 1009 and 6 tenths. So I have 1009 and decimal point 6 tenths. 931 and 202 thousandths. 202 thousandths. Okay. You are going to do the rest for 4, 5, 6, and 7. You're going to do on your own in your notes. That is it for today. So all we did was you're continuing our place value chart basically past that decimal. So it is tenths, hundredths, and thousands. So once you're finished watching this super short video, answer the questions in the Google form.